welcome to or welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. What's new? I've got to tell you, it feels like every single time that I turn on the TV, switch YouTube on, turn on the camera, something new has happened, something has changed. Flexibility is so key this year, and as much as maybe we haven't been able to go so many places, we do definitely still need to be getting outdoors now more than ever. So at the beginning of this video, you may have been admiring my new adventure bag, my new adventure backpack, and that is because today's adventure and video is sponsored by Nordace. Nordace creates stylish and functional bags specifically for those of us who move and travel a lot. They have business backpacks, totes, duffels, travel bags, whatever you can dream of, so much more. But this is their new Comino Daypack, which already obsessed with. I have been so looking forward to trying out this new day pack, and now that it's here, I figured what would be more fun than packing it up with you guys, taking it out for its first adventure, and then giving you guys my first impressions, first review, all of that fun stuff right here in this video. So if you have not already, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more adventure content just like this, and I'll just stop rambling. Let's get packing. So obviously the first thing that I noticed about this bag was just how cute and stylish it is. I feel like it's definitely gonna be the kind of bag that I not only use when I travel, pack my tech in it, take it for my carry-on, but also just something that I can use in day-to-day life when I'm traveling around. Because I don't know about you, but I find that a lot of these functional bags aren't always quite so cute. So first things first is these functional and spacious front pockets. These are gonna be easy access for anything that I need to just grab quickly on the go. Usually what I put in here are my camera batteries and chargers and all of those fun things. So I'll just slide that right in there. And another really cool thing that this bag has is a key holder. So I will attach my keys here because I've got to tell you, I always lose my keys, especially when I'm traveling. I drive my vehicle to the airport, put my keys in my bag, and then I'm gone for 3 months, come home. Do I know where my keys are? Absolutely not. Now, opening this bag up, there's also a ton of space inside, and it's all organized into really convenient little pockets. So there are actually 2 pockets, one big enough for a laptop and then another for a tablet. I usually, when I'm just doing a day shoot out, I'll bring my tablet just in case I need it, leave the laptop at home. But of course, when I'm traveling, I bring both. So that's super convenient. And when I'm packing my camera gear for a shoot, I also like to pack my drone in the base of the bag. Now, this is my drone right here. I've got the DJI Mavic Pro, and it does come in its own handy little carrying case. But I do like to get a bag that is spacious enough to put this inside. A, so that I only have to carry one bag, but B, because especially when I'm traveling internationally, I find that at this point in time, people recognize the drone bag. And even if we are droning legally, it's just the type of attention that we like to avoid. And we find that people question us less if we have the factory bag itself concealed. If you drone, you'll also know that the drone batteries can double as power banks for charging different electronics. Now, this bag, one of the things that I love about it the most is that it has this tiny concealed pocket just off to the side of the bag where you can plug your power bank in on one side, and then on the outside of the bag, yes, that's right, on the outside of the bag, so you can charge whatever you'd like while you're carrying it. You've got this little charger here in the bottom. So this is where I will plug in my phone so that I can use it and charge it at the same time while I'm walking through the airport or what have you. Next into the bag and right on top for easy access is my camera. This is my baby. I shoot all of my high resolution, slow motion video with this guy. I don't go anywhere without it. Even just packing it up right now has me dreaming of being out exploring in the mountains, on the beaches, by the ocean, and just dreaming of that next big getaway. Now, there is another zippered pocket on the inside front of this bag, as well as some credit card holder slots and all of those things that you might need to organize your stuff. If you're a student, for example, that would be super, super handy. But for me, for travel, I like to have my wallet and my cards and everything a little bit more easily accessible without having to open up my bag. And for that reason, this backpack also has an anti-theft secret pocket here on the back. So that, for safety and for easy access, is where I am going to put my trusty wallet. And when I'm traveling with my passport and everything, that's where I would put that as well. And speaking of hidden pockets, right behind that pocket here, tucked away, all neat and tidy, is this little water bottle pouch. So obviously when I'm traveling, I like to stay hydrated. Whether it's beaches or mountains, I need my water bottle. So that will tuck right in here when I am out exploring. Easy peasy, but when I'm not using it, I can tuck it away. And you know, it's the little things in life, but I love a functional bag where the different little parts like tuck away when you're not using them, so that you don't just have stuff like hanging off. And then last but not least, I will tuck my mittens right up here in the top pocket because I need them easily accessible in this cold weather. But I also hate wearing mittens while I'm shooting. So that is going to be my bag all packed up. And as you can see, there's still room to spare. So I can like tie this back up and you know, make it a more convenient size for me. But if there was more that I wanted to bring, you know, put an extra little sweater or warm layer on top, there is more than enough room. So let's go shooting. Okay guys, it's true. I'm obsessed. Obviously at this point, you guys have seen all of my favorite features of this bag. You've seen it out in action, you've seen it up close and personal. And I really just wanted to reiterate now that I have had it out and I've had my first impressions of really working with it and shooting with all of my tech inside of it. I have no complaints at all. I love how functional it is. I love that it is made with vegan materials. I love that it is water resistant, and I love how cute and stylish it is. I know that that isn't necessarily the most important feature of the bag, but as a female in the content creation space and someone who travels a lot with all of my gear and has tested out a number of different gear bags, I have to say that it's just kind of refreshing to have a bag that's not only functional and protects all of my gear and makes it easy to travel and easy to use, but it looks like stylish and fashionable in a way where I can use it not just as a gear bag, I could take it and use it for day to day, and yeah, it's fashionable and not just like, you know, the same old, same old. So if you are looking for a new bag, whether it be for photography gear or just to use as a carry-on and organize all of your stuff, then I highly recommend checking out this Comino Daypack. I will leave a link for the website and all of that information in the description bar down below so that you can go check it out. You can check out this bag and you can also see some of the other bags that might be on my wish list. And until I see you guys for my next adventure, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.